Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin, and in this video I am going to show you how to install the Eclipse. Eclipse is an integrated development environment, and where can you get the application or the software? Let me show you. This is the link where you can get the software. For example, here also you can get in SuiteScript Help Center. Here, if you click on this link, you will be forwarded here, and from here you can download the Eclipse. After downloading it, you have to double click the exe file. It will ask the path, so you have to provide the path and then it will automatically installed. You have to wait for few minutes. Now once it is installed, you have to double click on it here. Now this is the view of IDE Eclipse. In my left side you can see here we can create a new project. Let me create a new SuiteScript project. Here, new SuiteCloud project. Click here. Here, SuiteScript. Next, it will ask the name, test project 4. Yes. Finish. Now you see here test project 4 is created, but we need to create one more folder inside this. Let me open this. By default, these two folders are already there, JavaScript resources and settings, but we need to create one more folder, that is the script folder. So I will click on here new folder, script folder, scripts. Finish. Now inside these scripts you have to maintain all your scripting files. Let's take an example. Suppose if I have to create SuiteScript file, now here it will ask you for what purpose. There are uh, so many types of scripts: client scripts, server scripts, Suitelet, RESTlet. In my previous videos I have already mentioned how to create the code for Suitelet, RESTlet. I recommend you to watch my previous videos also. Now suppose if I want to create a client script, here client script.js, here is the name of that file, and finish. Now see here inside this client script. Now if you see here client scripts, there are many functions: page init, field changed, post sourcing, sublist change, and finally we will see here return. Suppose if I write something in page init function like alert first script, so as soon as the page loads, I have to associate this script file with a certain record, and as soon as the page of that particular record is loaded, immediately page init event will take place, and then page init, it will alert this message. So how to make use of these JS files and how to associate these files with the project, or we can say with a record, we will see this in our next upcoming videos. Till then I recommend you to watch my previous videos of coding, and we will cover all these Eclipse scenario in our next upcoming videos. So till then, goodbye. Thanks for your time, and please do subscribe my videos. Thank you.